How to reseat the memory modules on the HP 6000 Pro. Now currently I've got the machine turned over in the horizontal position because it makes it much easier to get to the inside of the computer via the latch here. So simply pull this latch up and lift away the lid, and the innards of the computer become viewable. Now you can just see the memory modules here and here. However, they're a little bit difficult to get at, so to make life easier, the first thing to do is to lift up the CD drive away, and this gives you a little bit better angle to get to the memory modules. But to make it even easier, if you take out the keyboard and mouse connectors, then you'll find that the power supply will lift up out of the way too. The two memory modules. There may only be one memory module in your computer, it depends on the configuration. They're side by side, as you can see. So if you get the 5 beeps, then the most common reason for that is the memory needs reseating. And these are the memory modules. They've got little clips on either side. So what you need to do is just pop the clip on either end of the memory module, like so. You don't really need to take the memory module out of the socket, that's sufficient. And also on the second one here, you may not have, you may just have one in the black slot. There always needs to be one in the black slot on these models. That can be popped out like so. You can see how now the clips are in the open position. And to close them up again, it's simply a question of just pressing on the memory modules till they click in place and snap down there like that. Now that should fix the problem, but it may be that one of the memory modules has become faulty, and the way to troubleshoot that problem is to take the memory modules out and just place one of them at a time in the black slot. So for example, if it's still beeping, I'd take the one out of the black slot, or if not, maybe it might not beep, it may not come on, and take the other memory module and push that into the black slot on its own. Push down firmly, try the machine again. If it works okay, then it indicates that one of your memory modules could be faulty, in which case that will need to be replaced. But that's about as far as I need to go for the minute. Just closing things down again. I'll put the memory module back in again, assume that was working. Like so, they're both pushed in solidly now. Just need to push this back down again. Not down again. Lid. Push that in place like that, and then power the machine back on again and see how you go.